Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kamara Reaction. How are you guys doing today? Hi. So I'm back again, guys, with another reaction video to the group SB19. And basically, this is a newly released song that just came out recently called Mapa, Mapa, M-A-P-A. This is a lyric video, so I'm curious to see what it's gonna be. I've seen that a lot of people reacted to it. A lot of people was messaging me about it, and I was like, okay, let me react to it. Let me get to it. Let me get to it. Let me get to it. So I'm curious to see what it's gonna be about. What it's gonna be about. What it's gonna be about. Come on, vocal. Love.
Mama, kamusta na di na tayo laging nagkikita? Miss na kita sobra. Lagi na lang kami ang nauuna. Di ba pwedeng ikaw muna? Akin ang pangamba. Dahil ikaw ang aking mata sa tuwing mundo'y nag-iibang dahilan ng aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong matatana. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa.
Come on, vocals.
Pahinga muna, ako na. La tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara tara, la la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara la tara. Papa, naaalala mo pa ba nung ako'y bata pa, di ba? Aking puso yung hina.
Oh, so it's like Ma and Pa. I got it now. I'm so slow. I got it now.
Buhay ang may dala, dala ko ang iyong bawat payo. At hanggang sa dulo, magkalayo man tayo, ako'y tatayo, pangako tatay ko. Dahil ikaw ang aking paa, sa tuwing na ako'y gagapang ng dahilan ng aking paghinga.
Oh, that was nice. This is a very nice song. It showed the vocal ability and the vulnerability in their voice. I really like that. Yes, that was good. Oh, this sound like Ken right there with this deep voice. That sound like Ken. Oh, I like that. Oh, sounds like Ken. That's his voice. Sound like him. Sounds like him. Come on, Stell. Sounds like Stell right here. Wow.
ako na.
Oh. 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 Whoa. This is. Oh, that was so emotional. You could feel it within their lyrics and the lyrics. You could hear it within their voice of singing. That was very vulnerable. The vulnerability with this song, you know, to basically a song about their mom and dad. Oh my god, this is a very, very good. This is a good song. This is a good song. I think they should put this song into submission for to, you know, what is it, the social Billboard Social Awards or something. I don't really know the awards so much over there in the P-pop world, but this song would be a very good Mother's Day and Father's Day song. This would be a very good song. Very good job, SB19. This song, their vocal ability, it's in the song. It's wow. I really do like this era, this what era. I really do like this what era for this group. I really think they should send this song for submission. I really do like it. It's very emotional. At first I was like, Mapa, Mapa, and I was reading the lyrics while it was going to, I was like, oh, it's like a song to their mom and father. So okay, I'm gonna give them that. I really do think they should submit this song though. This song should be a song submission to win some award or something. This song can really do it for them. I really do think this can really, really do it for them. And you could see the improvement based off their last few songs that made them blow up versus now. Like I said, I could see the creative control, the creativity, and the direction that the group is taking as a whole in this new era. So good job, SB19. As always, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I get to as soon as possible. As always, looking at you besides you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.